In this lesson, I'm gonna show you how to save a color as a swatch. When you work on a project, you might need to use the same colors constantly. That's why you need to know how to save your colors so you can keep using that exact same color. Select the color you want to save as a swatch. Okay. Then go to the swatch menu here and click the menu icon here. Then click New Swatch. It will show this new swatch menu. You can give a name to your color here. Make sure to click Global Choice, then click OK. Okay, now it is saved. Let me tell you about Global Choice. We saved our color. Now we have all these different objects. We want to make same color. We make all of them same color, but later on we are not happy with this color anymore. We want to change it to something slightly different or even to a completely different color. Go to your swatch menu. Double click the swatch you saved. It will show you swatch options. Click Preview to see your changes. Now change the color. And click OK. Now your swatch has been changed. You can see it from the swatch menu. If you don't save a swatch with Global Choice, you have to change every object color one by one. And this will take a lot of time, especially with the grouped objects. Let me show you with these examples. I saved it before with these three objects. I click Preview. And it changed. I click OK. But I didn't save these objects with Global Choice, so I have to change them one by one. Or let's pick this. And this will take a lot of time. By the way, swatches made with Global Choice have this little white corner at the bottom, as you can see. Regular swatches don't have the white corners, as you can see. Thanks for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.